Hi there, I'm Alan Oei from O Open House. Hello from Singapore. O Open House is a non-profit arts organization. We're about real lives and real stories, and a lot of the spaces that we bring people into are private and secret, and you wouldn't have access otherwise. What makes this really special is that the neighbors there open their doors and let you come in. So when you see something there, it's not just about the history of that space, it's also about the real lives and the stories of the people who live there. The strength of Open House really is that a lot of the tours are led by volunteers, and these volunteers are not like especially artistic people, they're just people who care about Singapore and being able to say, I can share different stories with you. Over the years, we've been to about 10 neighborhoods now, and it's an interesting mix of what is current and interesting at this moment versus what does each neighborhood have to say about the larger Singapore. Do they tell us something about who we are and how we can shape our nation? So in the 1920s, a magical space opened up. It was called New World Amusement Park. Now I've never been there, but when I read about it, I was fascinated. It was really the first inclusive space in Singapore which changed Singapore's culture. So for us, coming to Jalan Besar was really about how do we relive this history of what New World Amusement Park was. So New World's End is an audio-led experience, and you follow the story of Kieran and Rosa, two fictional characters in New World Amusement Park. They're going to relive history and live through this magical fantasy space that was Jalan Besar, and we want to be able to bring this to tourists so that they can come to Singapore and see something very different as well. If you're somebody with a taste for the unconventional and the unusual and you want to stray off the beaten path, come experience the alternative stories of Singapore through art.